Are you able to see on your screen? I am sharing my screen before you.
Yes, sir. We can see.
Yes. Now, this is a small exercise. As I have already mentioned to you, when we are translating, there is always a mistake. There is a possibility of mistake. So because translation involves little bit of differences, the kind of sentence structure that we follow in Hindi is different from the kind of structure that we follow in English. So therefore, the translation is never accurate. So you have to recheck it. Now here, I have written in Hindi something and translated it into English. Can any one of you try to correct these mistakes? Who will try to correct the mistakes? I'll read out the Hindi version first. युग पक्ष सिर्फ एक अखबार नहीं, एक मुहिम है. Probably Nusaiba will not be able to understand it because she doesn't know Hindi, but all other students will be able to understand it. Now its English translation is available before you. Yug Paksh is not just a newspaper. This is fine. Is there any mistake here? Yug Paksh is not
No,
just.
sir.
Yug Paksh is, there is a mistake. Before newspapers, we have to put article the. Before newspaper's name, we have to put article the. So what should I do? Article the is necessary here. So what should I do here? I can't correct it because it will not allow me to correct. So I will correct it somewhere else. It will not allow me to correct, so I will correct it somewhere else. The Yug Paksh, because it's a newspaper. Anything which is unique will carry article the. So the newspaper, the Times of India, the Hindustan Times. The Yug Paksh is not just a newspaper. There is a campaign. Is it correct?
No, sir. It is a campaign.
Yes. Yes, absolutely right. Wonderful. It is a campaign. Wonderful. You're right. You're absolutely right. How should you proceed ahead? It is a campaign to awaken the consciousness of the public mind. The original Hindi line is एक मुहिम है जनमानस की चेतना जगाने का, जनमानस की चेतना जगाने. So they have translated it into English as it is a campaign to awaken the consciousness of the public mind.
Only conscience.
Yes, how will you correct it?
Only conscience, to awaken the conscience of the public mind.
To awaken the conscious of the public. Fine, correct. So let's do it. To awaken the conscious. Yeah, conscientious. That is even better. C-O-N-S-C-I-E, something like that. Spelling I am not sure. Conscientious of the public. Mind is not required because conscience is related to mind only. Okay. Now we come back again.
SCIOUS it will be.
SCIOUS. Yes, this is what we have written. Now we come back again to our text. Conscientious of the mind of the public. Next, to encourage people to taste better literature. What was the Hindi line? The Hindi line was लोगों को बेहतर साहित्य का चस्का लगाने के लिए इस अद्भुत मुहिम की जितनी भी तारीफ की जाए कम है. The English version is to encourage people to taste better literature. Now, taste word is not suitable here.
Appreciate.
Yes, absolutely right. To encourage people to appreciate better literature, right? Very good, very good, very good. You people are outstanding. To encourage people to appreciate.
Taste the literature.
Appreciate better literature or good literature. Good is even better. Why no? Why to compare? Good literature. Okay. The praise of this wonderful campaign is less. What should we do? How should we write? How should we write? Yes, anybody? Anybody who can tell me how will we correct it? The praise of this wonderful campaign is less. Yes? Nobody giving suggestion?
Sir, the praises of this wonderful campaign is less.
Yeah. Yes. The sentence needs slightly more restructuring at this stage. Okay. The public to encourage people to appreciate good literature. This newspaper deserves to be appreciated. Right? I will change the structure of this sentence. What will I do? Where was I?
Sir, the campaign is worth praising.
The campaign is worth praising. Yes, fine. Absolutely good. Wonderful. So, appreciate good literature. Then this newspaper deserves to be appreciated. This is what I have done. Fine. Now it is better. Now let us proceed ahead and try to read the remaining portion. Okay. I have been associated with this newspaper since childhood. The Hindi version was, what was the Hindi version? मैं बचपन से इस अखबार से जुड़ा हुआ हूं. The English version is, I have been associated with this newspaper since childhood.
From?
How will you? From. I have been associated with this newspaper from childhood.
Since childhood.
Since childhood. Yes. How should we correct it? Yes, anyone of you?
I have been associated with this newspaper since childhood.
This is what it is written. So let it be like this. No change is required in your opinion?
Yes, sir, no change is required.
Okay. We go ahead.
Sir, it was written here in my childhood, so it will be since childhood.
Okay. I have been.
Yes, sir, since childhood.
Okay, I have been associated with this newspaper since childhood. My childhood is not there. Only childhood is there.
Yes, sir.
So is it okay? No change is required.
No, sir.
Okay, so we don't make any change. It's fine. Okay, go ahead. Fine. Then we now come to next line. I used to read this newspaper I used to read the news of this newspaper while waiting for the bus to go to my school in my childhood. This is the next line.
I used to read this newspaper while I waited for the bus to go to school. While I waited for the bus.
Yes, while I waited for the bus. Yes.
And
while I waited for the school bus. Right. Absolutely right. Wonderful. You people have done really very good. So can you dictate it to me again? I used to wait.
This newspaper.
Okay, I used to wait for.
Sir, I used to
wait for this newspaper.
Sir, it
while
was read,
Sir,
I
I
think.
used to read this newspaper while I waited for the bus.
okay, I used to
Sir,
This
it can
newspaper.
also be like this.
read this
I used to read
newspaper
this newspaper while waiting for the bus in my childhood.
newspaper while
I
waiting
waited.
for the
Sir,
school bus.
But,
so while I waited, it will be in
sir,
past
while
tense.
waiting can be. Sir, while I waited, बार बार I लगाने की क्या जरूरत है?
Whatever you will say, I'll write down. No problem. Both are correct. I used to read this newspaper while waiting for the school bus. No need of childhood. Obviously, school bus was, I used to wait for the school bus only during my childhood. We are talking about childhood. No problem. Now this is complete. Correct. Right? Okay, next we come to next part. I was fond of reading jokes in those days. Right? The Hindi version is उन दिनों मुझे चुटकुले पढ़ने का शौक था. So the English translator, this is automatic translator by Google. It has translated as I was fond of reading news. I was fond of reading jokes
I
in those
was
days.
very fond of.
I was very fond of reading jokes in those days. Is it correct?
Sir,
I
I
was,
don't think there is a need of very.
okay, it is enough. I was fond of reading jokes in those days. Fine, this is correct. No problem.
Okay, sir.
Fine, no problem. Something are done good by the translator. No problem at all. I was fond, okay, then the Hindi version, okay, next part of the sentence is, I was fond of reading jokes in those days, then started reading serious articles and grew from one era to a writer. This is the next part of the sentence, right? The Hindi version is, उन दिनों मुझे चुटकुले पढ़ने का शौक था, फिर गंभीर लेख पढ़ने शुरू किए और युग पक्ष में एक से एक बढ़कर एक साहित्यकार, टिप्पणीकार और लेखक जुड़ते गए और मुझ जैसे लोगों के लिए ज्ञान और साहित्य का खजाना बन गया. The English version is, I was fond of reading jokes, then started reading serious articles and grew from one era to a writer, commentary and writer. ये थोड़ा बैठा नहीं. There is some mistake here. So how do you correct it?
Sir, then I started reading serious articles and
Soon many
and in one era grew to be a writer.
Yes, somebody else was saying something else.
So soon many creative writers joined the
Newspaper.
newspaper and gave us
Yes. Actually, these sentences, next sentences can also be combined, made small. This can be combined and made small sentence. I was fond of reading jokes in those days. This is fine. Then started reading serious articles and grew from one era to a writer, commentary and writer, connected and became treasure of knowledge and literature for people like me.
Sir, I think there is no need of and writer after commentary.
Yes. So we have to restructure it. We have to change this. This complete sentence needs to be restructured. So how will you restructure it?
then gradually started reading serious articles
Yeah.
and in an era grew into a writer, commentator. And soon it
And
soon
connected
became a
and
treasure of
connected with
knowledge.
and connected with knowledge and literature.
We are
For me.
actually, what is that which became treasure?
Newspaper became the treasure.
Newspaper became the treasure, but it is not mentioned here. So you have to rewrite it, right?
Okay, sir.
Then gradually I started reading serious articles. Okay. Then you can put full stop. The newspaper and a large number of writers got connected with the newspaper, and it became the treasure of knowledge for people like me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I changed it. I was fond of reading jokes in those days, then I started reading serious articles. Okay, then gradually I started reading serious articles. I put a full stop here. If the sentence is smaller, it is easier to correct it. Bigger sentences are difficult to correct. A large number of good writers started contributing to this newspaper, and it became a treasure house of knowledge for people like me. Now complete? Are
Yes,
there
sir.
any errors?
Sir, I think we should also add knowledge and literature.
Knowledge and literature. Okay, became a treasure house of knowledge and literature. Fine, we've done it. This article is now ready. This article is now ready. Right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you all. You all have participated to correct it. All of you have to prepare your groups. And in voluntary groups, you have to correct English exercises and improve grammatical mistakes, whereby you can also improve your English, and you can also develop yourself. Now, I will make a small game with you. The game is very simple. The game is, I will pick one of you randomly and ask that person to either correct an incorrect sentence or make a correct sentence into incorrect sentence. Right? या तो सही को गलत करना है या गलत को सही करना है. Either you have to correct an incorrect sentence or you have to make incorrect sentence out of correct sentence. Is it fine? Okay. So is your class based on roll number? Do you have a roll number in your class? Can Nandini
No,
tell
sir.
me?
We only have SIDs. No roll number.
Okay, you don't have roll number. Otherwise, it could have become easier for me. From 1 roll number to 10 roll number, I would have taken any random number. Yes, fine. Okay, let's start with Tanya. So Tanya, I will speak one sentence. If the sentence is correct, then you have to make it incorrect. And if the sentence is incorrect, then you have to make it correct. Is it clear to you? Should I start the game? Tanya, are you ready? Tanya, should we start the game? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, thank you. So the sentence is, every one of us have to work very hard. Every one of us have to work very hard. If it is correct, make it incorrect. If it is incorrect, make it correct. And give your logic.
Sir, everyone has to work very hard.
Everyone has to work very hard. So correct, very good. My sentence was wrong. You corrected it. I clap for you. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
You are right. Wonderful. Now, Tanya will suggest me another student from our class.
Sir.
Huh?
Yes,
Give
sir.
give a name of your any classmate.
Sir, Vikas.
Okay. Now, Vikas, get ready. I will ask you now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. The sentence is, although he is brilliant, although he is brilliant, yet he got the top rank in the class. Although he is brilliant, yet he got the top rank in the class. If it is wrong, you have to correct it. If it is correct, you have to make it incorrect and give your logic.
Sir, mm, sir,
You
मैं
have
solve
to,
नहीं कर सकता ऐसे.
huh? You can't solve it. Okay. Anybody else who can solve it? Nandini, can you solve it? Samiksha has said yes, he can do it. Samiksha, can you solve?
Sir, I can also solve it.
Solve it, solve it.
Sir, sir, the screen is not visible.
It is not on screen. I am just asking
Oh,
it. The sentence
sir,
is,
can you repeat?
the sentence
Yes, sir.
is, although he is brilliant, yet he got to the top of the class. Although he is brilliant, yet he got the top rank of the class.
Sir, the answer will be although he is brilliant, he got the top rank of class.
But it is incorrect. This is what I had already said.
Sir,
Samiksha,
sir,
can
you
you
had
try? Yes.
sir, you had also added yet. So I think there is no need of
No.
yet.
Siddharth, can you try? Samiksha, can you try?
Because he was brilliant, he secured top rank in his class.
Yes, right. Because he is brilliant, he got the top rank of the class. The although yet is used to connect two opposite
When the
sentences.
two sentences do not
Although
match with each other.
two sentences which are opposite, they are connected using although yet. And in our case, these two sentences are explaining each other. He is brilliant, therefore he got the top rank. You can say like this. You can connect it using therefore. You can connect it using any such conjunction which is connecting two similar sentences. Fine. So this is a simple exercise. Remember it. Connecting, while you are connecting two sentences, you have to use proper conjunction. If you will use incorrect conjunction, then it will make the meaning unclear. There will be confusion. So you have to avoid those confusions. While using English grammar, take care, use proper conjunctions. If you don't use proper conjunctions, there will be some errors. There will be some mistakes. So, I